Well, everybody, I survived the room remodel, but the nails did not. So we're going to help fix that with Madam Glam. They have kindly sent these products for me to review for you. This is not an affiliate link. It is a true discount code for you, 30% off, and there will be a link in the box below that will take you straight to their website where you can check out, and it'll apply the discount for you automatically. And they so far have been a really cool company. They've been really great to work with. The polishes are 21 free. I don't even know what that means. I didn't know there were 21 harmful ingredients in nail polish, but they say they are 21 free. And the color scheme that we picked for this little mani to show you is kind of from the Pantone color of the year. I got some colors as close to it as I could. They're not perfect, but they're pretty close. They also sent this really cute mini UV LED gel lamp for us to take a look at. I really like it. It's about the size of a mouse that you would use on your computer. The only thing that I'm kind of about is it only has a USB plug, which is great if you're traveling and you have a laptop with you or something like that and you're doing nails on the go. If you're just hanging out in your bedroom on the laptop, watching movies, painting nails, that kind of stuff, perfect. In any other situation though, I think you would have to have an adapter for it, and that's just kind of extra equipment. So it is really nice though. It works great. The legs I thought were going to be a little trippy and wobbly, but they actually were not when I was using it. I really enjoyed that and liked that a lot. Hey, I forgot to tell you earlier if you go use the link and the code, make sure you use the pay as you go option. Otherwise, you're going to get a VIP membership, which is still kind of cool. It charges you $29 at the beginning of each month, kind of like a prepaid gift card where you're part of the club and you get discounts and you can see special offers before other people. So it does have a lot of cool features. You might want to check it out, but if you don't want to join that, make sure you click pay as you go. And Madam Glam has asked, please click that link so they know you came from me. The first color that I did on the thumb was Viva Las Vegas. I really liked it. It's a nice color. It did take 3 coats. It's a jelly purple, and unfortunately my nails have so many ridges on my thumbnails that like Bob Ross could paint a mountain portrait with it. And so I think that did not show the polish off in the most flattering way possible. I am going to show you a swatch on a tip later, and you can see it is a little bit better than it looks on my nail. The next color was Goat, and that's the color I'm using here. It's this really pretty kind of dusty mauve. It's a little more like pinky skin tone-ish, but it has these little purple speckles in it. And let me tell you, I normally hate speckled polish. I'm not a speckled polish girl. I think it looks like those Easter eggs that you get at Easter time that have the hard candy coating and the speckles all over them. I don't know. I normally don't like it, but I really love that one, and the formula was one of the best formulas I have ever tried for a gel polish. It looks really thick in the bottle. All of these polishes seem like they're going to be really thick on the nail, but they go on in these superb little thin coats, and especially for these 2 colors to be pastel-like and come out that nice in 2 thin coats, very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. Like, look at it. This is almost kind of a lavenderish. It was a little bit too light to be the official Pantone color of the year, which is called Very Peri. So it's a periwinkle. This is a little more lavenderish than I thought it was going to be, but I don't mind it at all. And here I'm going to go back and show you that thumb color on a swatch again, the Viva Las Vegas. Again, it is a jelly, so you know it is kind of thin. You can see through it. It's a little bit streaky on the first coat, but on my thumb I had to do 3 coats and it still looked a little, you know, a little streaky. On this, 2 coats and it did not. So I really think it was the ridges in my thumbnail and that the polish was fine. I am going to go in and use this to kind of create some nail art because you know I get a little twitchy with just plain old nails. And I'm using this as kind of a background for like, I wasn't really sure. I was kind of thinking like an amethyst or a geode, like an amethyst geode situation. And the more I did it, it kind of started to look like flower petals. So there's lots of different things you could do by layering these over each other. And one of the cool things about gel versus regular polish is you have time to fiddle with it before it starts to dry. Because you know, sometimes if you try to paint on top of polish and it's kind of halfway dried and halfway not, it'll get brush strokes and stuff in it. Gel polish doesn't really do that. And so what ended up being really cool is the longer it kind of sat, and I did cure in between layers, but the longer it kind of sat there, it it self-leveled a little bit and made the edges a little blurry and really started to look cute. So if I had this one to do like in different colors and that kind of stuff, I might make that look like flower petals and put some little beads close to the tip of my nail. Or you could very easily put some little gems in there or move it further back on the nail and make it look like geodes. It was a really cute combo. I was really afraid I messed it up, but I'm telling you in person, it looks really cute. You know, it's one of those trust the process until you screw it up too bad things. I thought it came out adorable. I really liked it. I'm very impressed with the quality of these polishes. So if you haven't checked out Madam Glam, please do. Like, this is not some cheap chop shop polish from Amazon. These are really nice, 21 free, great polishes. And if you join the VIP club, you can get them for 50% off. Let me know if you have any questions about the company. I'm so glad to be back. And we will have a nail art room reveal soon. I promise. I promise. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.